Hello, Joe here from Infinity of Tacoma. I'm here to tell you about this lovely 2015 BMW 328 sedan that we have for sale. We took this one in on trade for a new Infinity. Some of our nicest pre-owned vehicles coming on trade for new Infinities, and this 3 Series is no exception. The 328 is a great compact sport luxury sedan. It has an 8-speed automatic transmission to maximize the performance from that engine and fuel economy. The engine is a twin turbo, or I think it's a twin scroll turbo. 4-cylinder engine, makes 240 horsepower, plenty of get up and go, and it's also very fuel efficient. I think you should probably average right around 30 miles per gallon on the highway with that 4-cylinder engine, turbo power, and that 8-speed automatic. You have a drive mode selector to tailor the transmission shift points, traction and stability control settings for the type of driving. You have eco, comfort, and sport. Very easy to use. Dual zone auto climate control, wood interior trim, nice elegant interior, what you'd expect from a BMW. This one has 59,086 miles at the time of making this video. It does show regular service history in the Carfax at BMW, and it is a West Coast vehicle. We do have a complimentary copy of that Carfax report. Really nice color combination in silver on black. Silver is such an easy color to take care of, and it suits the looks and lines of this 3 Series very nicely. This 3 Series also is backed by a 5-day, 100% money back guarantee. We want to make sure that you're happy with your purchase from us at Infinity of Tacoma, so all our new and pre-owned vehicles come with that 5-day money back guarantee, no restocking fees, no catches, no gimmicks. It's a true 100% money back guarantee. You just have to bring the vehicle back within 5 days of the original purchase date, not put more than 200 miles on it, and it has to come back in the same condition as when you bought it. With rear-wheel drive, this is a very balanced, excellent handling vehicle with great German pedigree. The 3 Series is kind of the benchmark. It's been that way for the last 3 or 4 decades as far as compact luxury sedans go with sporty performance. A lot of them, a lot of car companies, they said the 3 Series is the benchmark. It's the one to beat. It's one of the best vehicles in its segment in the business. It's just not me. You can look at all the praise from the automotive publications. It tends to be a darling of the automotive press. Car and Driver has added on its top 10 best car list for many years. Take it for a spin. I think you'll probably be impressed by it very much as well. Any questions whatsoever, feel free to give us a call, and thanks so much for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully we see you in our store very soon, and have a wonderful day.